Medicare every year on January 1st issues a final rule that details all the changes for the coming year on the outpatient hospital population. The three areas of focus for 2018 ought to be the optimization of your charge master and charge capture processes related to the rule, implementation of identifying modifiers for the 340B drug program, and then finally the payment reduction for computed radiography. For charge master and charge capture related processes, there are really a two-pronged approach hospitals need to take in addressing these issues. In addition to the OPPS final rule, at the same time is implemented all the CPT code changes for 2018. So with implementation of those coding changes along with the regulatory issues in the 2018 final rule, hospitals will need to look very, very closely at charge master and charge capture to ensure we're maintaining our current revenue stream and optimizing future revenue streams. One, check for the accuracy and completeness of the charge master. Number two, make sure you have effective internal controls in place so that the changes that you make are controlled and implemented. Those hospitals that participate in 340B, either in the program directly or in the prime vendor program, will have their payments reduced by 22.5% from average sales price. That group of hospitals that get the payment reduction, it's for status indicator K drugs, and those drugs would have to have a modifier JG appended. The hospital population specific to get the reduction are all those participants. The ones that do not get the reduction are the sole community rural hospitals, cancer hospitals, and children's hospitals. Those hospitals will still be required to report a modifier, a TB modifier, but will not get a payment reduction for 2018. In order to comply with Medicare's requirement of reporting the FY modifier for computed radiography, the first thing you must do is determine whether you have that technology in place in your institution. CMS has defined computed radiography as cassette-based imaging in which the image is put onto a plate. Old technology. Most facilities do not have that technology. If you do, the challenge becomes to be able to append that modifier only to the procedures in which that old technology is being done. Again, either the whole department or particular rooms in the radiology suite. The challenge is going to be for providers to be able to implement this in a cost-effective, operationally efficient way as we move forward.